Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You should begin with admin access. Save files because you'll make immediate changes. Open Start or press Windows key plus I to launch settings. Once there, navigate to Privacy, then select Speech, Inking, and Typing to expose Windows voice services and online speech recognition options. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later. Disable the cloud-based features first so the system stops sending audio. Make sure to read the labels. This area controls both typing personalization and speech recognition data collection. Once in speech settings, toggle off online speech to prevent cloud-based recognition. Next, open Cortana settings from the taskbar or search icon and disable Cortana's ability to listen and respond. Revoke permissions and sign out if prompted. Then go back to Privacy right arrow microphone and turn off app access for any apps you don't trust, which prevents background listening. You should also review speech language and reset speech data if present. This clears stored voice models and helps ensure recognition stops behaving as before. After toggling features off, restart Windows to ensure settings apply system-wide. Once the PC restarts, return to speech settings to confirm online speech and related toggles remain off. If voice activation still occurs, use settings right arrow update and security, right arrow troubleshoot, and run the relevant troubleshooters. Make sure microphone drivers are current. As a single troubleshooting tip, check for third-party voice assistant apps and uninstall or disable them, because they often bypass Windows toggles and can.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.